Today I visit this amazing farmhouse with its many outbuildings. Dating from 1688, it seems this property may have been compulsory purchased for the building of the infamous HS2 line. Having researched the property, the same family had lived here for generations, with one member being listed on the local war memorial. It looks like a mother and son were the last occupants, with the son possibly caring for his mum. What became of them is sadly a mystery. With this section of HS2 now cancelled, the fate of this property is uncertain. Can someone make it a family home again, or like so many other properties, will nature claim it for its own? It's like a little outhouse or something, a garage, just full of stuff. It's a scary pink rabbit. Somebody's left Beaker on a stool. He's pretty cute. Right, so let's go in the house. Oh my days. Kitchen cupboards. The old cutlery drawer. Look at these bowls. My God, I got these. I've got these bowls. Go in there, mincemeat. Morrison's mincemeat. Arrowroot, whatever that is. Some cups and stuff in there. Probably light because it is a bit dark. Huh. There's a big cappuccino mug. There's the tea bags. It's just the everyone's got a drawer like that, and then just stuff chucked in it. There's a pair of sunglasses there, look. And the nice posh china plates that probably never will use because they're just too posh. A picture here. Is that a cricket team or something? They're in cricket. There's no details on the back of it. This looks like where all the post and everything just gets chucked. The pick of the paps. Halsang Fan Vaksho. Nope, never heard of it. It must be Sweden somewhere. Lovely writing. All sorts of postcards. What's that? Americana Hotel Puerto Rico. Oh, it's like Blackpool. That's definitely Blackpool, isn't it? 1981, I think. There's loads. Old Colwyn. County Waterford, Ireland. Huh, lovely. Someone used to take time to send them a postcard from their holidays. Oh dear. Oh, look at this. Again, another lovely house that could be still. There's another cupboard over here with all just stuff. There's 3 old paintings there, little pictures. They're pretty. There's another postcard. What's this? Aberdeen, I think. Aberdeen. That's an old one. Look at the stamp on that. Calamine lotion. Nice little carriage clock. Stopped working. The fire's gone. Someone's had that. Looked like they had a log burner perhaps because there's a flue. But that's gone. Some old videos. Dennis, Gone with the Wind. The Island of Sheep. When's this newspaper from? 1999. Oh look, Book of Country Walks. The Pleasure of Guns. I beg to differ. Yeah. Lovely view from this bay window. Got their armchairs there, look. Looking out the window. What an amazing view. You can hear the traffic, but you'd get used to that, wouldn't you? Lovely big room. Looks like they've built an extension on the back. So we'll go and have a look through there. Somebody's had a drone. Empty box though. And a little knick-knack cupboard. So, people used to collect these, didn't they? My Nan and Grandad did. Little matchbooks. Totally useless because they don't work. All the different shot glasses from places that they've been. Strong beer. And there's just all stuff on the floor. Little built-in cupboard here. Oh dear. Someone was a Man United fan. Never mind, eh? There's a pair of like court shoes there. Beeswax. Cute little cupboard. Apart from the Man United thing there. It's just more letters and stuff that people keep for no reason. Oh, there's a few more. Albert Hume. Goodness me, how many dictionaries does one person need? That's just... There must have been a crossword fan, maybe. Yeah, and there's like this... I don't know if it's an extension or not. Oh my goodness, more rooms along there. We'll have a look in a moment. Looks like there's a button. This was a back door. Must be locked from the outside. They've just written phone numbers on the wall. What? There's phone numbers on the wall. I don't know if you can make them out. Andy Fish and Chips. That's random. Just phone numbers everywhere. You haven't seen anything like that before. They must have been done by the people who lived here. That's weird. Right, got a little back room here. Probably a pantry, I'd imagine. Randomly, there's a 45 record on the floor. Old little lamp. Yeah, this was definitely a pantry, I think. God, it's quite big. Cherry brandy. Oh, who's this chap? Get him. We'll never know. It's more just like post, just dumped on the floor. Bottle of wine there. Looks like they made their own. God, there's jams, pickles. Ooh. Pickle. Oh my god. Honey that looks like it's separated. Wow. Look at the floor. Right, so let's have a look. Down here. Oh my god, look how steep them stairs are. There's more rooms through here. God, it just goes on. More shelves, more cupboards. Wow, there's a pair of shoes down there. A diary there from 1995. I haven't seen anything past 1999 yet. There's more shoes. Stuff through there, look. This place is a maze. Look, there's another. That looks like the main stairs going up. There's just stuff in there. We'll have a look at that in a minute. We'll carry on through here, look. There's their coats, look. Duffel coat, and like a trench coat. It does look like someone started to sort stuff out. Probably just got too much for them. It's a nice lumberjack shirt there. There's an old briefcase there. It's a big place. Again, just could be so lovely. And we've got another room back here. Ooh, look at the floors coming away, or they've started to do something with this room. Look at that fireplace. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's stunning. It's like, I don't know what this would have been. It looks like an office. There's like a desk and a nice quiet room at the back for whatever it was that he used to do. Pair of old glasses there, look. Huh. It's made 3 different briefcases in here, so I don't know what he did for a living. There's paperwork and stuff in there. What's that? What the hell's that? Maybe he was a dentist. You never know. But just drawers with stuff in. What's the date on this newspaper? Oh, that's 2006. So we're up to 2006 maybe. Unless that's just newspaper that people bought in to wrap breakables up with. And that's an old radio here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that beast. A radio tape player. Classic. This looks like a cigar box. Well, it was a cigar box. Just full of stuff. Another briefcase. It's full of paperwork. These people not heard of a shredder. I've seen a few tape recorders lying around as well, so I wonder if he dictated notes and things. There's another suitcase here, full of paperwork. This room just looks like everything's been chucked here from upstairs. Loads of books. I hate seeing books abandoned. Whoa! Oh. I love books, so seeing them just left to get ruined just doesn't sit well with me. There's some whiskey and empty bottles by the look of it. Spey Royal Scotch Whiskey. That in the old cupboard. Haig's Gold Label. More whiskey. That's a very 1930s looking fireplace there, compared to the Edwardian one that was in the other room. More piles of books over there. Yeah, Superman annual with Batman and Superboy. Home notes. Yeah, definitely looks like someone started to sort it out and then like just given up. Oh, bloody hell. Again, look at the tiles on the floor. God, there's another room. Good grief. This place is huge. Oh my God, it even looks like there's a cellar. There's a cellar. Right, let's have a look here. I think we'll go in the cellar last. Looks like there's been another fireplace there, look, been ripped out. Okay, that's random. There's like a semi-inflated balloon in here. And another big bay window. Oops. Looks like that's a big old screen, isn't it? Looks like they possibly had grandchildren with all the toys. More postcards. Right, let's go and see what other rooms there are downstairs. Right, time to go upstairs. Oh, there's as many rooms upstairs as there are downstairs. How many floors? Oh, South Pacific. Some old records, South Pacific. There's a door there. Don't know if I'll be able to get in. Oh my word. Look at this room. Oh crap. Look at that. Like, everything's just been chucked in there. Good grief. That is mental. Wow. Just piled up. Okay. Got a shotgun certificate there. I imagine they've long gone. Yeah, just loads of books. Lovely cupboards, nice wardrobe. Just stuff on the yeah. I've seen the door to an attic, so I'm going to have to go and have a look up there. We'll see if we can get into this room opposite. No, can't get in there. There's stuff wedged up behind the door. Oh, hello, Dolly. Right, so next is the attic. Let's go. Oh my god, this is like stepping into a museum's archives of stuff. There's an old radio there. An old wireless radio. Newspaper from... what the hell? 1961, I think. There's another... that's underneath there is a... oh god, what do you call it? A gramophone. There's another wind-up record player there. Wallpaper. Good grief. Probably another fireplace behind there. Books, look at that, a crate full of books. And then toys. Look at that, there's a Dalek on there. Another little radio. Wow. Little model airplane. Good grief. There's actually a Singer sewing machine stand there. Got all these books. There is actually another bit through there, but you have to crawl under, and I don't fancy crawling under. But yeah, amazing place. Right, so we've got these other steps that go up, so they must go to a separate bit. So there are other steps going up the bit that I've just been to. Oh, look at that. Wallpaper. Oh, so here's the bathroom. What's with the dolls everywhere? Yes, someone's had the boiler out. Oh my god. More stuff. I wish people wouldn't put clothing in the bath because it freaks me out. Lots of beauty over here. A Beano. God. Oh no, the boiler's still there. Goodness me. So there's more rooms. I don't know if I'm going to get, because they're just stuff everywhere. I'll just show you through this doorway. I don't think we're going to be getting through there. Got all the clothes. No, I don't think it's worth risking walking through there. Look at it. All the way back into that other room. Into another room. Just wow! Oh my goodness! That was a bit of Barbra Streisand over there. Goodness me! Looks like there's another room through there. You just can't get to it. Right, it's time to venture down into the basement. It's a bit I've not been looking forward to, but we've got to go and have a look. Oh my god, it is creepy as hell down here. I won't be surprised if there's bats. Look at all these bottles. Oh my god. Ginger beer. Oh, it smells like alcohol down here. Don't know why I'm whispering. Oh my god. I've never been in a basement like this before. But it smells. I don't know. Like fermenting alcohol. Oh, it really does. It smells like fermenting wine. Can't see any bats. Oh my days. No bats. Got all this stuff. Cornflakes with Eric and Ernie on. Smells like they made their own home brew. wine. There's loads of empty like jars and bottles. Wow. We've got a couple of outbuildings here, just round the side of the house, so I'll go and have a look inside those. So we've actually got a pair of outside toilets that are now being used for storage. It looks like he kept all his tins of paint and varnish. Just make out the toilet there. And then we've got this one here, so you can actually see the toilets. And this looks, I don't know, looks like another shed. Dodge the nettles and everything. Stuff like that. God, there's outbuildings everywhere. There's more over there, look. This place is huge. Another old clock. So there's another shed over here. Ha! Ow! Oh, my prickles. This looks like it was a garage at one point. Yeah, looks like a garage, doesn't it? And a couple of greenhouses there. There's a little archway there, looked like it used to go into what was the front garden. It's all overgrown now. Right, there's a few outbuildings here, so we'll go and have a look if we can in those. Right, so we've got a few outbuildings to look round as well. It's an old telly there with a radio on it by the looks of it. Just have a look in this one. Oh my god. Can you see what I can see? Can you make it out over there? Let's go and have a look at that. That's got to be one of the most random things I've ever seen. It's a church organ. How cool is that? Just in a garage. They like their film books. Spotted a few film books. Oh my goodness. On there, film show. There, an article about Victor Mature. So this was an old cattle parlour by the looks of it. An old stereo. Loads of video players. God. There's an old pram over there, an old pram base. It's sad that this is how somebody's life becomes. Just random stuff shoved in a cattle shed. So we've got another shed here that you go up into. Just, oh my days. Put the light on. So much stuff. So much stuff. There are just buildings everywhere. Just found another one by the house. Wow, this looks, oh, smells like a workshop. Wow. Look at that, there's an old fire in here. There's an upstairs as well. And there's more buildings. More outbuildings. So we've got another outbuilding here. Looks like we can go in it. What? This looks like, whoa, it's a very fancy floor. This has been set up for paranormal shit, hasn't it? All the salt on the table and everything. Looks like they've put trigger objects out. All suitcases in the corner. Some old photos. Look at them. No wonder they had so much stuff. There were bloody loads of places to keep it. Oh. There's another record player thing over there. Wow. Little child seat.